Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy, your go-to channel for everything related to standards, compliance and information security. Today's topic is especially important for anyone working in healthcare, IT or data protection. We are talking about technical controls in ISO 27799. Let's dive right in. Before we get into the technical controls, let's take a quick look at what ISO 27799 is all about. It's an international standard that provides guidelines for protecting health information using the principles of ISO IEC 27002, specifically adapted for the healthcare sector. What are technical controls? Technical controls are security measures that use technology to protect health information. They focus on systems, software, hardware, and network configurations that prevent unauthorized access, modification, or data breaches. Now, let's look at some of the key technical controls highlighted in ISO 27799. Key technical controls in ISO 27799. Access control systems. Only authorized users should be able to access health data. This includes user IDs, passwords, smart cards, or biometrics. Access rights must be based on job roles. Not everyone should see everything. Encryption. Data must be encrypted both in transit and at rest. This means encrypting data stored in databases and also data sent over networks, especially if you are using cloud services or remote access. Audit trails and logging. Every access, change, or attempt to access health data should be logged and monitored. Audit logs help detect suspicious activity and support investigations when needed. Network security controls. This includes using firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and segmented networks to prevent unauthorized access. Wireless networks especially must be secured with a strong encryption like WPA3. Anti-malware and patch management. All systems must be protected with updated antivirus and anti-malware tools. Regular patching and updates are also essential to fix security vulnerabilities. Secure configuration and hardening. Systems should be configured securely from the beginning. This includes disabling unused ports, changing default passwords, and removing unnecessary software. Backup and recovery. Regular secure backups are a must, and more importantly, test those backups regularly to ensure that you can restore data quickly in case of a system failure or ransomware attack. Why it matters? Implementing these technical controls is not just a checklist. It's about protecting sensitive health data from real-world threats. From cyber attacks to accidental data loss, these measures reduce risk and build trust with patients and stakeholders. We can say that ISO 27799 provides a strong framework to secure health data, and technical controls are at the heart of it. If your organization is handling patient information, these controls are essential to staying compliant and secure. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TNV Academy for more content on ISO standards and data protection. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.